everyone, it's really good to see you all. So today we are going to get into an exciting topic for all the new joiners in the tech industry. Whether you are a recent graduate, switching careers or just stepping into the world of technology, there are some key things to keep in mind for a successful journey. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, welcome to the tech world. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field with endless possibilities. But to make the most out of your journey, let's explore some essential tips that will help you thrive. Continuous learning. One of the most important aspects of tech industry is continuous learning. Technologies change rapidly and staying up to date is crucial. Always be curious, explore new tools, languages and frameworks. Online courses, workshops and forums can be your best friend. Now, tech is a field fueled by innovation, which means things are constantly evolving. Don't expect to know everything right away. Accept that there will be a learning curve. Embrace those I don't know moments and see them as opportunity to grow. Ask questions, explore resources and never stop learning. Embrace the mindset of a lifelong learner. Were once clueless newbies. Even the most seasoned tech gurus were once clueless newbies, right? Building a strong professional network is the key in tech industry. Attend meetup, conferences and webinars. Connect with your colleagues, mentors and industry professionals on LinkedIn. Networking not only opens doors to new opportunity but also provides valuable insights and support throughout your career. While technical skills are vital, don't underestimate the power of effective communication. Being able to explain complex idea in a simple manner is a valuable skill. Being able to explain complex idea in a simple manner is a valuable skill. Work on your communication skills, both written and verbal, to ensure smooth collaboration with your team and effective conveyance of your ideas. In the tech world, challenges are inevitable. Embrace them as opportunity for growth. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Tackling challenges head-on not only enhances your problem-solving skills but also showcases your resilience and adaptability. Team collaboration is essential. Learn to work efficiently with others, understand different perspectives and contribute your expertise to the collective success of the team. Strong teamwork can make or break a project. And that's so true, no? Now, agile methodology are widely adopted in tech industry. Being flexible and adaptable is key to navigating the fast-paced tech environment. Embrace agility, be open to change and continuously iterate on your process to enhance efficiency. Last but not the least, maintain a healthy work-life balance. The tech industry can be demanding, but it's crucial to recharge and take care of your well-being. Burnout can hinder your productivity and creativity, so don't forget to prioritize self-care. The very important thing which you have to keep in mind is that don't fear failure. Let's face it, mistakes happen, but in tech, failure is often the best teacher. Don't be afraid to experiment, push boundaries, and even stumble along the way. Every bug you fix, every line of code you rewrite is a lesson learned. Embrace the iterative process and remember, failure is just a stepping stone to success. As there you have it, essential tips for new joiners in the tech industry. Remember, it's a journey of continuous learning, collaboration, and embracing challenges. So this is it for this video. I hope you like it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.